In this video, I'm going to demonstrate for you how we can use a tool called the arrangement track in Garageband to create an outline for our first composition project. This project is going to be the AABA song form. So first, in Garageband, I'm going to start by making sure I have an audio track set up. Then I'm going to go to the drop-down menus at the top of the screen and click on Track. From these drop-down menus, I'm now going to select Show Arrangement Track. When I click on that, you can see that I get this new line at the top of my tracks that says Arrangement. I'm going to start by clicking on the plus button. When I do, you can see this light gray bar appear that says Intro. The default setting is for 8 measures, but if I wanted to change the length of the section, I would simply put my cursor at the end of the light gray bar, click and drag to the left to make it shorter, or drag to the right to make it longer. Now, I want to rename this section from Intro to A section. I can do that by clicking on Intro, where I get a pop-up menu, and from here I'm going to select Rename. Now I will type A section, and then hit the return button. So now I have an 8-measure A section. Now I go back to the arrangement track, click on my plus button again. Now I want to add another A section. So again, I'll click on the name of this section, select Rename, and then type A section, and then return. Once again, I'll click on my plus button, and this is where we're going to have our B section. So I click on the name of the section, rename, type B section, return, and then finally I'll click my plus button once again, click on the title, rename, and I'll type in A section. Now I'm ready to start working on my AABA song form project, and you can see that we've created an outline for ourselves here on the timeline. A, B, A, where each section is 8 measures long in our timeline. And now I've created a guide for myself as I start adding in loops or recording to create my composition.